Welcome to tutorial info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Sonic Dash from the Google Play Store. First, you want to enter the Play Store. In here, enter search and then search for Sonic Dash. If the game does not show up right here near the top, or when you enter it and it doesn't allow you to install it, saying your device does not support it, you might have to look if you have a recent enough Android version. You can do so under settings, usually under about device, and checking the Android version, because this game does require, you can see it right here, that this game requires at least Android 5.1. So if you have an older version of Android on your phone, you'll have to either install updates or possibly get a replacement for your phone if your phone is too old and doesn't get new updates. But you can install it if it allows you to. Then you have to wait for it to finish installing. Once it's finished installing, you can click play to enter the game, or you can find it on your home screen or in the app drawer under Sonic Dash. And just click on it to enter the game. That's it for this video. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.